Of course, any dog can be cute if you love them. What kind of dog do you like? Corgis. Corgis are small dogs with short legs and long bodies, which makes them incredibly endearing. French Bulldogs. French Bulldogs are compact, wrinkly-faced dogs with big bat ears. They're known for their playful personalities and laid-back demeanor. Puppies are universally adorable, with their big eyes, clumsy paws, and playful nature. Golden Retrievers. Golden Retrievers are known for their friendly personalities and bright, happy faces.